Caroline Mitterdorfer's fertility journey began with an early-stage cancer diagnosis at the age of 27. The diagnosis made her realize how little she knew about her health and fertility, and she dove into the space and became a self-described fertility advocate. Really doing her research about diagnosis of fertility issues, she realized that it took a long time for doctors to diagnose fertility issues from first patient presentation. She co-founded Levy Health to help speed up the fertility diagnostic process. Levy Health is a clinical decision support platform based in San Francisco that helps physicians and fertility specialists diagnose women with fertility issues earlier. The platform has users fill out a whole host of questions like how long they've been trying to get pregnant and whether they track ovulation, as well as lab work before an appointment with a fertility specialist. Levy Health software then analyzes a patient's questionnaire, biomarkers, and labs and narrows down a list of 110 potential diagnoses to a few potential conditions a patient might have. This information is then presented along with treatment options to doctors before they see their patient. Mitterdorfer says this has led to a 50% reduction in time to diagnosis. Although clinical decision platforms aren't new, they are to the fertility space, and this is part of the reason it takes so long for women to get diagnosed. Through her advocacy, she then met her co-founders, Sylvia Hetcher, who has held numerous roles in fertility clinics and companies, and Dr. Teresa Vilsmeyer, who's a physician focused on gynecology. Although they initially launched the company in Germany, they were not getting the growth in the European market that they were expecting, so they moved to the US where they're based now. Since launching in the US in 2023, they've landed 6 B2B customers, including Progeny, a fertility benefits company, Boston IVF, which is a chain of fertility clinics, and Every, an egg donation organization. They've just raised a $4.5 million seed round led by XYZ Venture Capital with participation from Atlantic Labs and Possible Ventures. They're going to use the funds to continue building the team and the technology, but also fund clinical studies related to areas in fertility and egg freezing. To learn more about women innovating, investing, and growing companies in healthcare, make sure you follow along because we will be reviewing more female founders every single day.